Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you how to work with custom fields on your invoices. First step, I want to make sure you know how to get to custom fields. To get there, you'll click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner. You'll then go to the header called Lists and down to Custom Fields. I have a custom field called Customer Purchase Order Number. You can add a new field by clicking on Add Field in the upper right-hand corner. This customer purchase order field is going to appear both on my screen as well as when I print out my invoice for my customer. Let me show you what it looks like on the invoice. To make or get to an invoice, I'm going to click on Plus New in the upper left-hand corner. Under the customer's header, I'm going to go to Invoice. This is going to present me with a brand new invoice. If I wanted to get to an old one, I can click on this little rewind up here, or any of the 100 other ways to get to invoices. So let's just scoot down and get rid of the pop-up. My customer PO number appears right here. So let's just do testing 1, 2, 3. We'll give it a customer. Poor demo customer. They have to buy everything that I sell. Let's do a demo product and service. We'll make it $10. Do save. Okay, now that it's done thinking, I'm going to do print and download so we can see what it looks like for a customer. We already know what it looks like for us. Oh, it's nice. It's just right here on the right-hand side. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.